All right, yo, what's up? So everybody, we are here, we're back. We've got our little helper here, our big fat helper here, and yep, I entered into the giveaway, but I've decided to wear these shirts as instead of ruining all my other shirts. So I am gonna wear this when I film and do stuff like that. So anyway, as you probably saw and hoped for, this is the replacement for the BMW M3, the f80 that I got from Duarte. We are going to go ahead and knock this out. I've got a little makeshift light up here so I can see everything. Looks pretty self-explanatory. I'll try to explain what I do, kind of find out and figure out and stuff like that, because we've got to swap this door card on the inside with that one. But it should be relatively straightforward, and yeah, a quick little video for you guys, and hopefully it's, once again, it does, all the other ones are doing pretty good, and we're not drifting. So we'll just continue this whole vibe, and we'll fix this car that was caused by drifting, but this video won't be about it. So, well, let's get started. Close the door.
Yes, sir.
Is Pigsley in here? All right. Got these little pick things. Don't mind the kid getting in the way.
Are you telling me this? Did you tell me that?
Just talking to the camera. All right, so we got that off. So like as it was, I just used a little pry bar, a little pry tool. Actually, one of these little plastic guys right here. Take note that this is facing up. Obviously that's the door lock. I was wondering why that one was facing down over there. But it's pretty self-explanatory. It was two T25 bolts, which I'm going to tell you in a voiceover. So we just need to make sure we know what we're unplugging. Cool. All right, we got that off. So that one was a little bit difficult. If you're ever having to take that off, I had to cut that much. Come on, baby. Let's focus on it. I had to cut that much out of this guy to be able to unclip that little plug back there. So, other than that, it should be done and ready to go. This is exactly what is on the door that's over there. Excuse the dog, the kids, everything. But yeah, now we're going to take all this off. So I was able to get that off. I had to get that underneath me. I didn't realize that this plug has a locking mechanism on it. So this actually slides up and then it unlocks everything. So I didn't quite know that. I thought I had to pull it straight off. That's why I took the door off first. Hindsight, you take that off, you take everything off, and then take the last bolts of the door out. That would make it a lot easier, and it'll eliminate you from scratching up your car even more. Oh, I'm trying to make it better, and I just messed it up a little bit, but it's okay. Anyway, we are going to do it in the same order. We're going to put this door back on, but we're not going to plug that thing in until it's bolted down. So we're just going to kind of reverse, put that thing back on, and yeah, hopefully it goes as smooth as it's kind of going as it is. All right, cool. So, I mean, that was a lot easier. The plug is still a little hard to get to, but now we're going to see how hard this is going to be. So that's got to be facing up. I'm not going to mess with the door. I want to get some of this stuff out. Wait, no, that one goes deep inside the door. It looks like it's missing. Well, hopefully not. I don't know. It looks like it's missing something. Something doesn't seem quite right. But we'll go look over here. All right, so yeah, there is 4. On my other one, it doesn't have a plug right here into the... I must have a fancy sound system in here or something, because mine has another set of wires, like almost like a split coming up where this goes in and they plug back into each other, but we do have 4 cords coming out, so I'm just gonna kind of roll with it. I can't really do anything about it. That's plugged in already. So yeah, we're gonna see how this is gonna work. I do care about a dog climbing from the front seat to the back seat on my red leather. But it is a drift car, and I do let random people come in here and drive on it, so I guess she's fine. They only get to be a part of our lives for a little bit. Right here. Yeah. Hey. All right, does it close? Hey, we got a fixed door.